easiest way to make $100 extra a week is to go to thrift stores, Goodwill, garage sales, buy things and sell them on eBay, OfferUp.
Hey Gary, all that effort for just $100 a week. Here's a better way that's going to teach you how you can make $1,000 per week and you can do it from home. Go to digitstore24.com. Once you sign in, go ahead and go all the way to the right and click on Marketplace. Choose any one of these topics, but for the sake of this example, I'm going to go with animals and pets. Choose any one of these products, but I'm going to go with this product right here. You can see we can make about $12 per sale. Click on Promote Now, copy this link. This is your affiliate link and this is how you're going to get paid. This is the product we're promoting and it's all about eating and food. Next, go to pixels.com and find an image that matches the product. Pick an image. I'm going to choose this one and then download it. Next, go to Pinterest and create a pen. Add the image, add the title of the product and put some keywords in here. And finally, make sure you paste your affiliate link that you got from digitstore24.com. When people look for food for their dogs, your pin is going to appear here. And every single time when someone makes the purchase from your affiliate link that you got from Digitstore24, you earn about $12 per sale. To see more videos like this, give me a follow.